Hi, and welcome back to the Mazak Smooth Cafe. In today's segment on the technology of the smooth control, we're going to be talking about a great new feature we call 3D Assist. With today's modern CAD/CAM systems, many manufacturers have transitioned to making programs using three-dimensional solid models. There are, of course, tremendous advantages to doing this, not the least of which is that solid models are generally made to scale, so the dimensions found on a solid model are exactly what the design engineer intended. Now, while the smooth control fully supports the G-code created by these CAM systems, we wanted to support the Mazak shop floor programmers as well. To do this, we created 3D Assist, a standard feature of the SmoothX and the SmoothG controls. 3D Assist enables a programmer to import a parasolid or a step file to aid in the development of Mazak programs. Importing a solid model is as easy as selecting the appropriate model using the File Select window. Once imported, the model can be rotated and shifted to orient it in the machine as needed. Some examples of using the model would be, for a turning shape, simply select the starting line and the ending line to import the entire shape. To create a new machining plane, you can select two surfaces to resolve the angle between them, making the tool perpendicular to the new plane. Or to quickly select multiple holes, just select one and all similar holes on that plane are automatically selected. The variety of selection methods makes this a very versatile function. We feel 3D Assist brings the modern world of 3D solid modeling to the conversational programmer in a simple and powerful way. Once again, from all of us here at Mazak, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for more technology tips at the Mazak Smooth Cafe. Take care.